Hey guys, welcome to Night City, a virtual reality nightclub I created in my very first week using the cross-platform development engine called Unity. But before I show you around the club, I better quickly explain why I'm making it. Stay tuned. Over the last few weeks, I've been working on a project called Night City, a virtual reality nightclub that aims to blur the boundaries of simulation and reality by letting people hang out and experience real live DJs in a virtual world. Obviously, to make this a reality, I would need to create a virtual nightclub. So I chose VRChat, which is a social media platform that allows developers to create worlds where people can hang out virtually, and launched an Indiegogo campaign to try raise some capital to pay someone to make the club. But alas, no one really supported the idea financially via crowdfunding, and I never heard back from the VRChat world builders I contacted. So I decided, you know what, stuff it, I'll make this myself. One problem I faced was that the VRChat SDK demanded I use Unity to create this world. I never used Unity, nor any 3D modeling software for that matter. I've got skills inside Adobe Aftereffects, Photoshop, Flash, and Ableton and stuff like that, all sort of giving me a graphical and animation understanding, but really moving around in a 3D space was completely new territory. I had seen myself moving into the 3D space for quite some time, but really had my sights set on Unreal Engine 4, which is well known for its photorealism capabilities, which I'm a big fanboy of. And after this video here I made on the Quixel megascans, I was pretty committed to eventually learning UE4. But alas, I was at a junction and I had to accept that I had practical justifications for learning Unity, so I downloaded it and started creating Night City. Actually, a week before this I started using Blender, which is a free open source 3D modeling tool, and although not specifically a game engine, you can do a lot in it. It was good, but it was hard. Even just navigating around inside the 3D space was driving me a bit nuts. So I was pleasantly surprised to find once inside Unity that everything just came naturally. The controls were intuitive and clear. It wasn't a piece of cake, but it was completely learnable. I found navigating much more intuitive, and importing models into the world just worked, as opposed to a lot of stuff I was trialing in Blender, which will no doubt be my noobness, not Blender itself, and I'm sure there's plenty of you letting me know all about that in the comments below. But regardless, I found Unity stable, fast, intuitive, and fun. The Unity asset store was right there in the program, and finding free assets, downloading and importing them into my Unity project was a breeze. So after 1 week of playing around in Unity, I had achieved these key personal targets: create a virtual nightclub world, learn realistic lighting for this world, install and set up video players in the club, create an animation fly-through, and share this all on YouTube, which I'm doing right now. So that's the backstory. Here's the club. Let's fly through and have a look. I wanted Night City to be a dark but classy virtual club. I wanted visitors to really feel like they were walking into a party, and this shot here was critical to that cause. The reveal as they turn and see the crowd dancing. You're probably going to have to imagine the people dancing because it's not live yet. The DJ booth had to see, capture and control these people as they walked into the club. That's the DJ's job. Night City needed quieter places so that people could talk, so I created this outside balcony area that shows the outside world. And as we fly up to the rooftop, you can see the virtual after-party space where VIP ticket holders can hang out after the event with superstar DJs. Watch the virtual sunrise over Night City. This isn't the final version of the club. In fact, there's a lot more work to do, mainly in optimization, and I'm sure that's where the main problems will actually be. But the basic club is here, and this lays down the look and feel and the potential of the project, so I'm happy with that. I also want to get some lasers moving and lights and smoke and stuff on the dance floor. We'll be working on that too. If you're interested in helping me make this a reality, please do check out the Indiegogo campaign, or simply like, comment and subscribe here. All of that will help me make this come to life. So what do you think of my first project in Unity? Is this pretty cool? I'm blown away by what I managed to achieve in my very first week. Honestly, a week ago I was about to pay someone else to do this for me. So, I really must say, if you're considering having a crack at something like this, I encourage you to give it a go. Unity is pretty damn cool. And perhaps Kimberly said it best: believe in yourself, pursue your dreams and passions, inspire others. What great morals to live by.